Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for the Pixel 6. Now, this is a TPU clear back case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Google Pixel 6 case, crystal clear, slim fit, ultra thin, soft silicone shockproof protective case for the Pixel 6, all right? Protective cover. It's flexible, all right? Now, this band is Gooboli. I haven't heard of them before. Here's some pictures of the device right there. Says it's pretty slim. I notice the sides are flat, so we'll see how that works. Now this is, you got different colors. You got black, you got a green, a blue-like, and a red, and the kind of orange-looking one there. All right, $12.99 on Prime. All right, we'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, we're going to take this out of the box. Here's the box right here. Got a little bit of branding. Is committed to providing high-quality cases. Fashion phone case. Always skeptical when I see that. But pull this out. Now, it's a fairly light and thin case. I can tell that right now. And you got a little bit of plastic on this. Let's get this out of the way. But here's the case right here. All right, now this might be. I have one of these cases for the Pixel 4 XL, and now this doesn't look bad. The other one was so inexpensive, or it was so cheaply built, this almost looked purple. But this one looks pretty black and it's sticky, and it has the TPU black side. I like that. So this is kind of what I was looking for. Now you got a clear back, you can see through right there, so that's pretty cool, and the camera's going to be protected. All right, so this might be the one that I was looking for right here. You got your openings for your port, your charging port, and your speakers right there. And you got your mic opening right there, and you got your power button and your volume down rocker right there. Neither one is textured, so still got to figure that out. You got a little lanyard open right there, and nothing on this side right here. Okay. Now we're going to get the device and put it inside and see how that looks. Okay, here's the Pixel 6 right here. Let's go ahead and put this inside. See how this works. I hope this fits pretty well and not too. I hope it gives you some protection. Okay, it's got a tight fit, so I get this over the top. All right, so that went over the top. So, all right, so this is what it looks like right here. I think it looks nice, and it's nice and slim, if that's what you're looking for. You still got some grip because it's sticky sides right here in the back, so it won't slip. Let's see if we can. Okay, so it's not sliding off my hand right there. All right, so you see that. So it's pretty sticky on the back, so it's not going to slide off your hands, at least anyway. It might slide on surfaces, but not off your hand. You see the opening on the bottom for the charging port. That's pretty big, so it's wide open. And you got your speaker grills right there. And you got the mic hole that's big enough you can see the mic right there. And you got your power button and all that stuff right there. And you got your opening for your camera. This looks nice. Nice the way they made that. See that right there. It's nice and contoured right there. All right. You can see clear through the back. You see the G right there. And then the lip. You got a little bit of lip, not too much, so you probably need to be careful. So the surface is still touching the surface. Let's see if I can slide this card underneath. No, so I can't slide the card underneath. So the front, it doesn't have a lot of protection on the front. All right. So when I had this down on the table, it wasn't. I tried to slide the card underneath, but the sides weren't like contoured at all, so it was pretty flat. So that's why I couldn't get this under. But if you hold this up like this, you can see there is a little bit of lip. You can see underneath that card right there. You see that? So it's got a little bit of lip. So on a flat surface, you should be okay. But I wouldn't slam it down or anything like that. All right. But you got a little bit of light, a little bit of lip right there. You can see that right there in the card. All right. So it will protect a little bit on the front screen. Now let's go ahead and check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, here's the wireless charger. Let's put this on. So it picked up no problem when you're laying down. Let's stand it up. Okay, so it's still charging. I didn't get the animation, but it's still charging. All right, let's lay this down. All right, so it picked it up right there as well. So, all right, no problem there with the charging. Pretty thin case. I didn't expect that it will do anything differently. Okay, so that was a quick look at a slim, clear case for the Pixel 6. It's a TPU case with black sides, clear back. All right, nice and slim, and it's got a little bit of grip. because it's that plastic. It'll stick to you. It'll won't slide off your hands or anything like that. So I think if you're looking for a thin case for your Pixel 6, this might be it for you. All right, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ out.